Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about similes. Have you heard of this word before? What is a simile? A word or phrase that compares something to something else. You know, using the words like or as is a simile. It's a figure of speech that directly compares two things. So here it is. What is a simile? It's a figure of speech. It is used to compare two different things by using the word like or as. So let's have fun with similes. Here I have an example for you. My dog is as smelly as dirty socks. So, your dog has not been given a bath for a month or maybe more, and now how is the dog smelling? Like dirty socks. So, this is a simile. You are comparing the smell of your dog with the smell of dirty socks. Again, he is as fast as a cheetah. Now, cheetah is supposed to be the fastest animal on earth. So, if somebody runs very fast, you compare that person to a cheetah. You're trying to tell that that person runs very fast. Or if someone swims very well, then you say she swims like a fish in the ocean. Let us read about some more similes. As big as an elephant. Elephants are big. So if somebody is big, you can compare that person to an elephant. As blind as a bat. As clear as crystal. As cunning as a fox. A fox is supposed to be a very cunning animal. So if you find a person cunning, you'll say, oh, this person is as cunning as a fox. As delicate as a flower. As fresh as a daisy. Daisy again is a flower which looks very fresh. So if somebody is looking nice and fresh, you'll say, oh, you are looking as fresh as a daisy. As easy as ABC. Now that you are in class 5, children, for you A, B, C, D is very easy. So if you find something easy, you'll say as easy as ABC. As white as milk. You can also say as white as snow. As alike as two peas in a pod. Children, if you have seen peas, if you open a pod, you'll see they're all similar looking. The peas inside the pod, they all look similar. So, the simile, as alike as two peas in a pod. As black as coal, as brave as a lion, as busy as a bee. Now, if you have observed a bee, you will notice that it never sits still. It is always jumping, hopping from one place to the other. So, as busy as a bee, no time to rest. As cold as ice, as cool as cucumber, as cute as a baby, as gentle as a lamb. So these are some similes, children, which you can use when you are framing sentences. And when you will use these similes, your sentences will look very impressive. Now here's, you're describing your best friend. My best friend is as sharp as a pencil. Similarly, you can describe yourself with similes. I'm as fast as a racing car. I'm as cute as a little kitten. Now, here is a worksheet on similes, children. You can use your own examples. I'll give you a few. I'm as quick as a horse. I'm as slow as a turtle. I'm as small as an ant. I'm as large as a giraffe. I'm as sad as the hungry beggar. I'm as happy as a lark. A lark is a bird which is always singing, it is always happy. So you can compare yourself to a lark. I'm as nice as my grandmother. I'm as mean as, well, if you know somebody mean, you can give that person's example. I'm as cold as ice. I'm as hot as fire. These are some similes which I have used, children. You can use your own examples and complete this exercise. So I hope you enjoyed learning about similes. Thank you, children.